Okay, everybody, I'm excited because I just got an early birthday gift. Yeah. Woo. That's what it is. Oh my God. It's a Lynx. It's a Lynx. Diamonds in it. And the cross. Look at that, beautiful. With diamonds. Whoa. Yes. So excited. Anyway, my birthday is September the 4th. And it's an early birthday gift from a special friend. The one that y'all always hear me arguing with in the videos and stuff. Him. All right, everybody. I'm happy, so I guess I'll go now. I just wanted to share that moment because I'm super excited to take this off and put that on. All right, stay tuned. Take this old one off, even though I still like this one. And put this one on. The cross is attached to it. And keep you incognito still. Wait, y'all. Let me get this together down here. Okay. Put that on me, honey. Put that on me, dear. Ooh, it's pretty. Pretty. I love jewelry. I really do. I think the next thing I want to get is maybe a ring. A nice ring. Maybe. It's hard to open. Let me put my hair through. Ooh. I love it. Oh my goodness, thank you. This was so nice. Ooh. Let me see. It look like it's twisted a little bit, but it is cute. Yeah, it's twisted. I probably have to leave it like this and put it on. I think you got it. You got it. Ooh. All right, everybody, stay tuned. Thank you, dear. What up, y'all? Got me some Speed Queen up in here, y'all. And my auntie Dee Dee just came from Speed Queen. And she got the shoulder and tips half and half. I got a tip dinner for somebody that paid for this. And I got the rib dinner, so I'm gonna get started, y'all. Okay, let me get myself set up. Okay, everybody, I'm back. And I'm gonna get started. And I just wanna say thank you to all of my new subscribers, guys. I had just made, I was like right at the end of 17K. And I just made 18K, okay? And it's like, since my sister been here, it's like in a flash of an eye, it's already at over 19K. So it's going by super fast, y'all. I'm enjoying it, and I'm gonna ride this wave, honey, okay? Until it is over, and enjoy it all. Just enjoy the whole ride, so. Let me turn this. I'm gonna turn it this way. All right, so this is what I got. And I'm gonna get me a piece, y'all. And go ahead. Ooh, shit, this show is, y'all. That's what they're looking like right there. Whoever was in the kitchen today got it right. Nice and tender. They got it right. Oh. I'm gonna sit back, y'all. I can't sit up and eat. Sit back and chill and eat. Anyway, y'all, I ain't do too much today. Hold on, a little fat in there. Today I'm feeding the birds and squirrels and the ants. Oh, shit, that didn't make it. I'm feeding all of them, y'all, today. Hey, cousin, come get you a piece of rib. Oh, never mind, you don't eat pork. That's okay, girl. I eat your piece, girl. I'm sitting outside my Auntie Didi house. My cousin Cece just came out. Where you going, Cece? Where you finna go? Cece is so cute, y'all. Come say. Come say hi to the YouTube people. Say hi. Oh. That's Cece, y'all. Y'all remember Cece? Yep, she finna go get her hair done, y'all. Even though I really like your hair like that. I'm about to keep it like this. I'm just gonna go get you one, girl. Go ahead. Girl. Okay. Cause I figure since I'm Speed Queen, I figure since we just got it, why not sit here and make the video?
Mom said you was out here making the video.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Ain't it? It's tender today. Whoever was in the kitchen got it right, y'all. They got it right today. What beauty supply store you going to?
Going up here on Titanium. Florist.
Ooh, damn, this is tender, y'all. It's good. Okay, y'all a bite.
You like them better than Ashley's?
You getting some?
I said you like them better than Ashley's?
Oh, yeah, I definitely like Speed Queen better than Ashley's and Tony's.
Tony's ain't the same no more.
I love Speed Queen better.
Ever since earlier, down wants to barbecue, huh?
Right. Me and Didi, when it got to barbecue, we went shopping. And then after that, when it got...
Nice little day.
Yeah. And a good video. Hey. On top of it. So, not bad. I'm making it. That's Auntie Didi. Gonna get you another one.
Oh, no, it's fine. Thank
you. Sure? I don't need all this anyway and shit.
Oh, what's with that?
Get another one. Go on, get it, girl. Go on. It's okay. Girl, I said I don't want to be fat by myself. Shit. Dad, at least let somebody be fat with me, y'all. Y'all see how good she look, okay? She ain't getting fat, y'all. And she got a baby. And look that good. I got a baby. Now, if I could have looked like that after a baby, maybe I would have had one, y'all. But I can take no chance, y'all.
Okay.
You did good. You did good. Oh, you thought I was gonna take your shape too, didn't you?
I thought he was. Yeah, the baby.
Oh, he improved her shape.
She got the cutest little boy.
Girl, you did. You did. You lost a lot of weight.
You was like, man, you lost a body.
Well, you been eating some potatoes and shit, girl, because it done came back, girl.
I'm shocked I didn't do nothing.
You didn't?
I didn't work out. I'm too lazy, girl. Me too.
I am too.
Thank got so much stuff you can do now, so why?
Yeah, all you gotta do is have some damn money.
Right.
And you straight. You don't gotta work out no more. Have some money, you straight.
Or eat good if you want. It's not too good. To where it's going to the wrong places.
Right, because that's why I'm broke out right here.
Yeah, my skin real sensitive.
Them grease bumps. Too much Popeyes. Too much Popeyes for me. That's a grease bump right there. I'm sure a grease bump. Look. Lay off the damn Popeyes. I can't do that though. Every now and then I lay off, but I gotta always go back and get me some damn Popeye.
You ain't give me no napkins?
He live over here? I'm finna say he don't look like it.
I ain't never seen.
Some alcohol, some water. Here, take this water. Put it on the ground. Give it to the ants.
Or
Here.
the dog.
Here, the dogs again.
I got paper towels in the car. But look at this.
There you
That's what I
go.
did for being greedy.
That's okay.
Thank you.
You good. My hands are right back dirty. Give me some sugar. Wait.
Enjoy the ribs. They good.
I love you. Love you too, baby. All right. See you later.
You should be back soon, right?
You know I come, girl. I come over now, girl, honey. I feel like I'm getting to know Auntie Dee Dee a lot better now. I'm loving it too, y'all. Cause y'all be hearing about Sweet Baby Ray all the time. I got 2 aunties. I had 3, but when I was in prison, I think that was 2009 when I first got locked up. I wasn't in prison yet. I was at the county. I was in the county jail. They was bouncing me around from the county to the house of correction, back to the damn county. They did that for about 9 months. And that was 2009. And while I was in there, I'll never forget. I got a visit from my cousins. Ooh-wee. They had came to tell me that my auntie Sherry, we all called her Sherland, y'all. Yeah, excuse my nose, right? I got allergies. But they came to tell me that she had passed away. And y'all, I just lost it. I wanted to whoop all them bitches in there. I was so mad. I was beyond mad. So I know this is a story time for some people, especially the new people. I don't want to overwhelm y'all because if y'all stick with me and you go through my channel, you're going to find this out anyway. So I don't want to shock none of y'all coming from my sister's conservative channel, okay, over to this one, because it's a big ass difference, okay? So it's just a little warning, okay? We're different. But I do appreciate you guys coming from her channel and subscribing to mine. Thank you so much for giving me a shot. But I am a little bit raw and uncut, a little bit ratchet. Can be. And proud of it. I'm proud of it. I don't care. Look how good that look. Wow. But anyway, my cousins that came to tell me that my auntie Sherry had passed away and I lost it. Because at that time I was living with her. I was living with that auntie. I was out there, y'all. On dope. Getting high and shit. All that. I was. And I didn't have my own place. I was staying with my auntie. That was like mama, though. She always treated me like mama, you know. And I just love my auntie Sherry. I grew up with her. I grew up with all 3 of my aunts, but My Auntie Dee was the one who was elusive. And she still is, but as of lately, she's had some lifestyle changes that has allowed her to be more freer, and it's allowing me to be able to come to her house pretty much anytime I want to, and the door's always open. I'm loving that. I like that, you know, be able to stop by and just come up in the crib, you know, go in the kitchen, see what's in the pots and stuff. Y'all know how us black people do. Damn. That was a good bite. But I'm loving that me and Auntie Dee getting closer. Oh. But we went to Sam's Club today, and we went to Pick and Save. I got some free steaks. That's a whole nother video. But that's a whole nother video. But then after that we went to Speed Queen barbecue joint. But when before we went anywhere, he kind of cute. Got a nice body. I'm in the hood, y'all. I be watching. Y'all know how them thug boys be jumping out with their little white beaters on and skinny jeans, or what they call it. Looking good. Muscles rippling and all them tattoos and stuff. Like, damn, boy. Anywho, let me get back on track. But I'm just glad that I'm getting to know my Aunt Dee a lot more intimately. I love it. So yeah, guys, I'm just chilling today. It's a beautiful day today. Beautiful. But I'm probably gonna go home because my auntie bought me some stuff, Sam's Club, and they really do need to go in the refrigerator. Got some chicken salad and some bacon wrapped jalapeno peppers with cheese in them. That's gonna be a video. Y'all watch for that one. This so damn tender. It is so tender. Look at that. I know my brother Walt missed Speed Queen. But I think where he live at got good barbecue too. We all love barbecue. We Walt and Bethany in Chicago, I-57. There's a lot of little really good barbecue spots in Chicago. But I-57 was one that a lot of people went to. A lot of people still go to. I'll take this piece of fat off here. Got some damn car running shit. Forgot about that. So, I think I did good as far as my eating today, guys. Look. That's not bad. My cousin only ate one. I did good. Y'all shouldn't be talking today. Because I remember doing Speed Queen videos where I would eat only one bone. One. And the video was over. Be like that sometime. But, okay. The damn air. That's better. Mm-hmm. Oh. I just love my little necklace, y'all. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, I love it. Mm-hmm. Just got it. It was a gift. An early birthday gift. My birthday is next month on the 4th of September. Can't wait. I'm thinking about maybe. There's some hot boys over here, y'all. There's some hot boys over here. But I'm thinking about going on the boat. Little, it's called an Edelweiss dinner boat, something like that. Maybe. I'm gonna see who all want to go too. People come up with their money, they can go. Cause it's kind of expensive. Damn, moon, big ass bean. Oh, I'm gonna go. Oh, well, on this side, y'all. Uh oh. I think the video finna be over. I'm trying to finish this little bone right here. Oh shit. Let me hurry up. Was it on the porch? Looking over here. I offered them some before I started the video. My auntie neighbors. It's back. Okay. Yeah, this is what I got left. Taking that home, y'all. I'm through. Oh, my little piece of coleslaw. They always only give you a couple bites. Taking it home too. So I'm through. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Appreciate y'all. Get these birds some bread. They like bread. Boom, there you go. Getting out of here, dear. Damn, that damn bee flew right on that piece of bread, see? Put this shit down here, hold on. I need some of this water to clean my own hands. Anyway, I hope y'all stay safe out there. Let me know what y'all did today. Today was beautiful here. The weather's like in the low 80s, sun shining. I mean, it's just nice. Just had this damn car washed. I did it. That's alright. Okay, y'all. I'm up. See y'all later. The next video. I gotta go take all my shit home now. Let me show y'all what my auntie bought me since it's right here. Let me show y'all what she bought me. Hickory smoked turkey breast. And I like this because I be getting up late at night and stuff, you know, and I be hungry. I'm never gonna go to bed hungry. I know they say you're not supposed to eat late and all that type of stuff. I eat late, okay? But I think it's not really... I think it's what you eat when you eat late. So this is good. 98% fat-free. You can't go wrong with that. Eating a few pieces of that when you get hungry late at night. So I got this. And I got these bacon wrapped jalapeno peppers stuffed with cream cheese. That's gonna be a video right there, y'all. It's gonna be a video all day. Try that. My auntie bought me this And then I got 2 steaks, y'all, and they was free. But the original price was $11.38, but it was reduced on sale to $6.02. That ain't bad. What type of steak is this? Boneless ribeye. Not bad. They got me 2 of them. So there you go. And they was free. Like I said. And that's cool. That is a whole nother video. I'm gonna tell y'all one day how I got these free steaks and how y'all can get free steaks too. Okay, y'all, I'm out of here. Got my little stuff in here. I'm gonna go take my butt home. Yeah. Don't open it. Hold on. Let's try this better. My ribs are here. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Yeah. A little alcohol. Okay, y'all. All right. Take a little drink here. Some pineapple juice I put in here this morning. Still good. Okay, everybody. Bye. I forgot to show y'all this too, because I was using it to hold up my phone. But I got some chicken salad now. My auntie Raynette swear by this salad. It came from Sam's Club. If y'all know about this chicken salad from Sam's Club, let me know if it's good to you or not. Raynette said it is. I got it. I'm gonna try it. Probably slice up some more eggs in here. I know I'm gonna doctor it up, but this is the other item. So, all right, y'all. Stay tuned. I'm gone now. For real.